Before I read your story problem of the day, you need to get your materials. You need your math journal, and you need to glue this story problem on a new page. Pause the video to do so. All right, friends, in a second I'm going to read to you the story problem, but I want to give you a little heads up. Today, RDWW is going to look different than the other days. So listen closely to my directions. Let's start with R, read. Tamar sees 10 penguins. Some are swimming and some are sliding on their bellies down a hill. How many penguins are swimming and how many are sliding on their bellies? Try to show as many different possibilities as you can. So let's think about this story problem. We're working with 10 penguins, and we're going to show some swimming and some sliding on their bellies. But we want to show many different possibilities. So for D today, I want you to draw number bonds. Under your number bond, I want you to write a number sentence that goes with your number bond. You're going to have as many possibilities as you can in 10 minutes. At the end, your last W, I want you to write a sentence telling me one way how many penguins are swimming and how many are sliding on their bellies.